Every click, every transaction, every business decision is powered by data, and that data is growing every single second.
But raw data is not enough. Companies need speed, accuracy, and intelligence. And now AI is changing how databases are managed.
With SQL Server and Generative AI, writing queries becomes faster, optimization becomes easier, and data management becomes future-ready.
We hire professionals with database and AI skills because they bring deeper insights, reduce costs, and make projects more successful.
SQL Server with GenAI opens global opportunities, helping you move from analyst to database administrator to solution architect.
I used AI to write SQL faster. I solved real projects with confidence, and iTech Analytic Solutions training gave me a future-ready career.
At iTech Analytic Solutions, you will learn SQL with generative AI in live interactive classes with real hands-on projects.
SQL Server with GenAI is the future of database management. Join iTech Analytic Solutions and lead the world of intelligent data.